If YouTube is not working on Chrome on Windows, the good news is that this is usually a browser issue, and in most cases you can fix it in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through 4 simple troubleshooting steps to get YouTube working again on Chrome. We'll clear cache and cookies, disable extensions, turn off hardware acceleration, and reset Chrome settings if needed. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's get started. First, let's clear the cache and cookies in Chrome. This is one of the most common fixes because old or corrupted browsing data can stop websites like YouTube from loading correctly. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. A new window will pop up with your browsing data options. At the top, set the time range to all time so Chrome clears everything that may be causing the problem. Then make sure you check cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Once those options are selected, click Clear Data. After that, give Chrome a moment to finish, then go back and test YouTube again. In many cases, this alone fixes the issue. If YouTube is still not working, the next step is to disable your extensions. Sometimes, a browser extension can block YouTube scripts, break the player, or interfere with page loading. To check this, type Chrome//extensions into the address bar and press Enter. You'll see a list of all your installed extensions. Turn off the switch for each one, so they are all disabled. After that, go back to YouTube and see if it works properly. If YouTube starts working again, then one of your extensions is the cause. To find the exact one, turn your extensions back on one by one and test YouTube after each one until the problem comes back. That way, you can identify the extension that is causing the issue and remove it, or leave it disabled. Now let's move on to the next fix, which is turning off hardware acceleration. Hardware acceleration can help Chrome run faster, but on some Windows systems it can also cause display problems, video playback issues, or YouTube pages that fail to load. To change this setting, type Chrome//settings/system into the address bar and press Enter. Look for the option that says Use hardware acceleration when available. Turn that setting off, then click Relaunch so Chrome can restart with the new setting applied. Once Chrome opens again, test YouTube one more time. If the problem was caused by your graphics settings, this step should get everything working normally again. If YouTube still isn't working, the final step is to reset Chrome settings. This is useful when a deeper browser setting has changed and caused the problem. To do this, type Chrome//settings/reset into the address bar and press Enter. Click Restore settings to their original defaults. Then select Reset settings to confirm. This will reset Chrome's startup page, new tab page, search engine, pinned tabs, and disabled extensions, while keeping your bookmarks and saved passwords intact. After the reset is complete, try loading YouTube again and check whether the issue is fixed. So to quickly recap, if YouTube is not working on Chrome on Windows, start by clearing cache and cookies, then disable extensions, turn off hardware acceleration, and finally reset Chrome settings if needed. These steps solve most YouTube browser issues without requiring advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more Chrome or YouTube fixes. Thanks for watching.